If you want to buy exclusive items from China while living abroad, there is a very simple system that most people use in 2026, and it usually comes down to three things: Taobao, a Chinese account, and a shopping agent like Mulbai. So, in this video, I'll show you step by step how it actually works, from finding products to creating accounts and finally shipping everything to your country first. What is Taobao? Taobao is one of the biggest online marketplaces in China, where you can find clothing tech, gadgets, accessories, collectibles, and exclusive local products. The problem is, Taobao is mainly designed for users inside China, so international buyers need a workaround. Now let's start with step one: creating a Taobao account. Go to the Taobao app or website and select sign up. You can usually register using your phone number or sometimes email depending on region. Then you verify your account with a code. Once your account's active, you can start browsing products immediately. Now step two: searching products on Taobao. You can search in two ways. First, by typing keywords. But honestly, the most powerful method is image search, because if you find a product on TikTok, Instagram, or another website, you can upload the photo into Taobao, and it will show you similar or identical items. This is one of the biggest advantages of the platform. Now here comes the important part: checking sellers and reviews, because not every listing is reliable. You should always check product ratings, buyer reviews, with photos, number of sales, and seller reputation. And honestly, this step is what separates good purchases from bad experiences, because reviews often show the real quality of the product, not just marketing images. Now, step three: using a shopping agent, because this is where most international buyers complete the process. Since Taobao does not directly ship everywhere, you use a service like Mulbai or similar agents. Here's how it works. First, you copy the product link from Taobao, then you send it to your agent. They will buy the product in China for you, receive it at their warehouse store it safely, and prepare it for international shipping. And honestly, this is the key part of the whole system. Now, very important, agents usually charge a commission. This can include service fees for buying the product, storage fees if the item stays in the warehouse, and shipping costs to your country. So always check pricing before ordering, because the final cost is not just the product price. Now, step four: consolidation and shipping. If you order multiple items, the agent can store them and combine them into one package. This is called consolidation, and it helps reduce shipping costs. Once everything is ready, you choose shipping method, delivery speed, and your country address. Then the agent ships the package internationally. Now let's talk about why this system is so popular, because honestly, it gives you access to products that are not available locally, and sometimes at much lower prices than resellers. But there are also important things to keep in mind. You should always double-check seller reviews on Taobao. Avoid listings with no ratings. Start with small orders first, and confirm total costs including shipping and fees, because honestly, most problems happen when people ignore these details. Now, let's be honest for a second. This system is powerful, but it's not instant or risk-free. You are dealing with international shipping, third-party agents, and foreign marketplaces, so patience and research matter a lot. So, to wrap this up, if you want to buy products from Taobao in 2026, create a Taobao account, search products using text or image search, check seller reviews carefully, use a shopping agent like Muleby, send them your product links, let them buy, store, and consolidate your items, and then choose international shipping to your country. Because honestly, this is the exact system most international buyers use to access China's exclusive products safely.